Hey, Zinchow. I wanted to make a special video for my grandma. Grandma, I just wanted to let you know that I love you. I miss you. And yeah, I think about you and Slim, Grandpa, all the time. It's almost been 3 years and I haven't seen you, but don't think that every day you're not in my thoughts. I do want to come home and visit you. If I could find the way to get the money, and the time off work. I know that's not an excuse because you only have one chance at life with the people you love, and that should come first. So I will find a way to come visit you. I was hoping not to have to come alone, but things change in life, so it'll just be me. But it's been you and I for how long, Grandma? Since Grandpa passed. Anyways, life is good, more or less. I just want to let you know, don't worry about me. I'm doing okay. I love my job. I feel like I'm becoming a better teacher. I love Vietnam. It's really saved my life. There's good people here. And yeah, I'm lonely, but there are people who still care about me. I wanted to show you one thing that is special and see if you remember this. So I brought this all the way. So out of all the things that I could pack when I came here, do you remember this? So me and my grandma, many years ago, when we watched Home Alone 2, we both have one of these. And it symbolizes our bond. My grandma is my world. She has raised me here. In a lot of regards, taught me pretty much all the good values that I have. My dad taught me motivation, aspiration, hard work, discipline, and my grandma taught me the value of love, forgiveness, faith, being a good person, compassion. So her and Grandpa never gave up on me, and she's the greatest woman I know. And because of that, Grandma, this video is for you, and I want to show you. Do you remember this? So all the way on the other side of the world, did you ever think that my turtle dove would be here? So for anybody who's wondering, me and my grandma both have one of these turtle doves. And these turtle doves are from the movie Home Alone. Home Alone 2. So Macaulay Culkin's character gives it to the homeless lady, and they both have one, and it's a way of showing that they care about each other. And me and my grandma always thought it was very special. So yeah, we've had it for years. We've hung them up on Christmas trees, and it makes me sad because I wish I could be home for Christmas to spend time with Grandma. She's in her 80s right now, but Grandma, I've kept it safe. It's here in Vietnam with me. And just think, this pigeon here has made it all the way to the other side of the world. But I love you, Grandma. Thank you for everything that you've done for me. I wouldn't be here in Vietnam if not for you, for Dad, for Grandpa. You know that, I've said that. But I just wanted you to have a video saying thank you so much for everything that you've done for me. Thank you for being the amazing person that you are. You are the heart and soul of our family. And yeah, American families aren't as close as Vietnamese families, but that doesn't mean that we love each other any less. And I do love you, Grandma. I will love you. And I'll try to get home to see you as soon as I can because I miss you. Take care of my cat. And tell them to, don't be spoiled. But anyways, I love you, Grandma. Goodbye.